Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Electro Drive News, your premier source of electric vehicle news and updates. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at some exciting developments from Tesla, the leader in the EV market. Starting off with the battery seal system upgrade for select Model S and Model X vehicles. Imagine being on the road, enjoying the freedom of an all-electric drive, when suddenly you're faced with the daunting prospect of flooding. That's where this latest upgrade comes in, a free upgrade, to be exact, designed to optimize the integrity of your vehicle's battery seal system. And that's not all. Owners are being notified through the Tesla app, and they'll receive a notification once the parts are available at their local service center. But what exactly does this upgraded seal mean for you? According to Tesla, it's designed to improve the performance and reliability of the battery in incidents of high-severity flooding. And as if that wasn't enough, owners can rest assured knowing that they're receiving a free upgrade courtesy of Tesla. Now, let's talk about the upcoming flood port plungers replacement initiative for 2021-2022 to Model S and Model X vehicles. According to a service bulletin posted on Tesla's website, these more robust plungers are designed to withstand external water ingress due to submersion during flooding or other similar high-severity abuse instances. This is an interesting move by Tesla to ensure the safety and reliability of its vehicles. It seems that owners will have to wait for their local service center to receive the upgraded parts before scheduling a service appointment. And as always, when it comes to any vehicle maintenance, it's essential to prioritize your safety above all else. So don't hesitate to reach out to Tesla if you're in need of assistance. Moving on from Tesla news, we have some exciting updates for owners of the 2022 Model Y Plaid. A notification has been sent out through the Tesla app informing them that they're eligible for a free upgrade to an upgraded seal system. This upgrade is designed to optimize seal integrity over time and improve performance in incidents of high-severity flooding. Now, let's take a step back and consider what this means for the future of electric vehicles. As we continue to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of EV technology, it's reassuring to know that major players like Tesla are prioritizing safety and reliability. In conclusion, from upgrades to flood port plungers to notifications for owners of select Model S and Model X vehicles, Tesla is taking proactive steps to ensure the well-being of its customers. As we look forward to a future filled with sustainable transportation options, it's heartening to know that companies like Tesla are committed to pushing the boundaries of innovation.